Hi guys, so today I will be covering our order processing part. That is, once the order is synced onto the platform, how we can allocate a courier partner to it, how we can allocate a AWB assignment to it. Then how does the workflow moves from my new order section to process order section, how we are going to print out the labels, invoices, close the manifest, and how then we can track the orders also. So once you log in onto the platform, this will be the landing page of the platform. All your orders that are the unfulfilled orders will land into my new orders section tab, just like this. You will find all the order details, that is the order id, the customer info, the product name, value, the payment type, whether it's cod or prepaid, channel in from which channel that particular order has captured. Let's suppose you have multiple channels, that is Shopify, Amazon, or Flipkart. All your channel can be seen over here. This Shipway icon will be seen once your order is manually entered or uploaded onto the platform, and the Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon will be logo will be popping up over here if it's an Amazon or that particular channel order, with the dimension, channel date, order creation date, and then there is the courier price. I will come up to this courier price once I am covered with the manual assignment part over here. So starting with the assignment of the orders, as I said, all your unfulfilled orders will land into my new order section. Either I can filter out the data. Let's suppose I want to assign 5 of my orders from the new order section. I can simply write down the order id. This is a comma separated field. I can simply filter out those ids, or what I can do is I can click all the orders from here and do the assignment in bulk. For instance, let's suppose you want to assign this particular order, and before assigning this particular order you want to check the courier pricing also. So what you can best do is you can click onto this thunder icon. You can see over here it's a quick assign option. I'll click onto this quick assign option. I'll find all the rates and the courier partner which are serviceable onto this particular pin code, and you can assign the courier partners by comparing these rates from different courier partners, just like you can see on the screen right now. I'll select a particular courier partners and click it to assign. Once I click this it to assign, all my orders or this particular order will get assigned to that particular courier partner. This is one of the assignment of order processing. So as I told, you have three different options of assigning the couriers. One is either you can select down through quick assign option present, where you can compare the courier pricing and then assign a courier to a particular order. The second option is you can select that particular order, go to assign courier option. You will find manual option over here. You have to click on manual. Then you can select down the courier partners from which you have to assign that particular order. For an instance, I am assigning it through self-delivery carrier. I'll select the pickup address, your pickup address, return warehouse address, and the order summary will be popping up over here. I'll click on to assign tracking number. Once the tracking number is assigned to that particular order, you will have a notice saying your tracking number assigned out of one out of one order, and it will move to process order tab. From the process order tab, you can see you will find the tracking info, that is the AWB assigned to that particular order and the courier partner name to it. From the process order tab, you have two tasks that can be completed from here. That is, you have to print out the shipping labels. So printing out the shipping labels and the invoices. Again, you can do that in bulk also, or you can filter out the data by the filter option given on the right hand section, or you can simply select down a single order also. For now, I'll select in bulk. I'll go to print option. I have the option printing with shipping label, invoices, label plus invoices. This is a new feature where you can print all your labels and invoices in a one go. Then comes my print pick list part. I have two kind of pick lists that can be generated. One is product wise and the other one is order wise. For now, I'll click onto shipping label. I have 5 different formats for printing the shipping label. One is thermal label, the small size format 1, small size format 2, A4 size, and 4-in-1 label. So you can download the or print the shipping label from the print option over here, you have to simply click the shipping label option by selecting the format, whichever format you want to select down. I'll click on to shipping label. My shipping label will be downloaded. It will be in this form. This is a thermal label format. There are certain changes that can be made on the shipping label. That is, you can put your own brand logo right over here. Brand logo can be pasted over here. Certain options can be enabled or disabled from the shipping label. That is, you can hide the return warehouse address, you can hide the product name, you can even hide down the amount for your prepaid orders. These are certain settings that are available in my settings manage label section. Coming back to the printing of invoices, same with the invoices, I can select down the formats and then simply click on invoices. For printing of the invoices, your HSN code and tax will be asked. If it is not mentioned onto the channel, we will be asking the HSN code and the tax applicable onto that particular product. I'll click on save and next. Then I will be asked for that actual states, and then if I click on to save, my invoices will be generated, that is the downloaded. You can see like that. Again, you can make certain changes, enable and disable certain features. That is, you can hide certain details, you can enable certain details on the panel. That is onto the invoices. Even you can print out all your labels and invoices in one go by clicking onto this label plus invoices format. This is only applicable for thermal formats only. All your label and invoices will be printed in thermal format only. How it will be showing, I'll show that. So this is your label for that particular order, and this is the tax invoice for that particular order. Then the second order label and the second order invoice. If you have it in bulk, multiple orders, all your bulk invoices and labels will be downloaded. And once we are done with the printing of shipping labels and invoices, we have to close this particular orders manifest also. So we'll go to manifest option. I have three different options of closing the manifest. That is, I can do it either automatically will create a manifest automatically, segregated by the payment type, segregated by the courier partners. The next option is via scan. You can do the manifest, close the manifest by scanning it through the scan gun, and you can even do the uploadation of the manifest via upload also, and the manifest will be created onto the panel. For now, I'll click on to automatically. All my orders manifest will be created, as I said, segregated by the courier partners. Like this, you can see segregated by the courier partner, segregated by the payment type. That is, for COD orders, you will find a different manifest. For your prepaid orders, you will find a different manifest. I can view the manifest. For viewing it, I click on to view. The manifest will be popping up like this. If I want to download it in PDF form, I can download it in PDF form. I can download it in CSV format also. From the process order tab, if I have not printed the shipping label or the invoices, I can reprint it from the manifest list tab again. That is by clicking onto the print shipping label section or print invoice section. Once this is done, if you want to mark all your orders as dispatch, what you will find is, you will find an option right over here in bulk action. You'll go and mark all your orders as dispatched also. After closing the manifest, that is creating the manifest onto my panel, your order status pushback will be given onto that particular channel. For instance, if it's Shopify, your orders will be marked as fulfilled onto your Shopify store. Onto your WooCommerce store, all your orders will be marked completed, and onto your Amazon store, your order tracking number will be updated against that particular order. Once this part is completed, all your orders are picked up, then comes my part of tracking the orders. How I can track my different orders over here. So this is the track section over here. I will simply click onto the track section. All my orders will be popping up over here with the order details, product name, the status of that particular order with the tracking info and channel and the booking date. I can simply click onto this particular AWB number. It's an hyperlinked number. I'll click onto it and I can find the detailed tracking of that particular order, that is the status of that particular order and different scans of that particular order popping up in this particular box. Even you will find the order status over here with the EDD option also present onto this track order page section. And even you can find all your status update right over here with the courier partners popping up over here. Just like this, I have booked one parcel from Book My Packet and I have booked two parcels from Self Delivery Carrier, and whatever is the status onto this particular courier partner will be popping up over here. That is, one is in delivered section and two of my orders are in not processed section. Same goes with different other status, that is RTO, pickup in transit, picked up, pickup scheduled, undelivered, RTO delivered. All different status that we have from the courier partner will be popping up right over here. This is it for my tracking part. And again, you can download the reports also from this download section over here. You can filter out the data by tracking number, by order ID, either by channel, either by customer name, or by phone number, email, pickup address, or whatever is the status of that particular order. So these are the different status, that is the processing, manifest, dispatched, RTO initiated, RTO received, or shipped. You can filter out the data and track all your orders accordingly. Then comes my last section, that is all orders section. In all orders section, you will find all the orders present onto the panel. Either they are in new stage, either they are in process stage, either they are in manifested stage, either they are in or they are in deliver stage. Whatever the status from the courier partner, you will find it in all section with all the orders over here. So for now, you can see this particular order is manifested. That's why it's popping as manifested. This particular order is still in my new section. That's why it's popping up as new. And again, this is manifested. And this particular order is manifested as well as delivered also. All your orders can be tracked down from the all orders section also. Now, for instance, let's suppose you want to cancel a AWB to a particular order. You have by mistakenly added a courier partner to that particular order. So what you can do is you can select down that particular order. That is, for instance, I will select this particular order. I have the unassigned carrier option right on the top over here, and I'll click onto the unassigned carrier option, select as OK, and it will move to my manifest list tab. From the manifest list tab, either you can unassign it from here. It will move to process order section. From the process order section, you can also unassign it. And once unassigned, it will move to new order section. You can see I have just unassigned this order and it moves to my new order section. From here, I can reassign it to a different courier partner. Or if I have to make certain changes, I can make certain changes onto this particular order also. So this is it for my workflow, order processing part and the tracking part. Thank you for the session today.